Hello everyone. Today let's talk about a balanced shift oil seal. This oil seal is a balanced shift oil seal and it has with a spring look. This is a spring. The size is internal diameter is 165 and external diameter is 195. The sink is 18 and 20. The color is red-brown. It has made of rubber, and it has more manifolding features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature and with longer service life and more wear resistance. High temperature resistance and good brushing resistance, good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention. Mud pro water and ticking spring, ticking skeleton. Ticking spring is there. There is a spring, and we also can provide customer service. We can customize this size and this color, this material and this type. We all can customize them. If you are interested in this project, just send us our inquiries, and we also can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.